first Friday of the month, November 4th, 2022. Unemployment's about to come out. The bias actually, as of yesterday's close, either open higher, go higher, maybe open higher, go lower. But as of right now, we see things going higher today. Let's see what happens. Let's take a look, a live look at what's about to happen. Let me switch screens so you can see. Okay, here's the S&P right now. Boom, there it is. Look at that. Wow. Clearly, you can see the pickup in volatility. As soon as the number hits the tape, people are making, call it assumptions, interpretations, which way's the market going to go today. Like I said, as of yesterday's close, the bias for the S&P is open higher, go higher. Now, we've got about an hour to go until the market opens. I'm going to take you back. I'll show you where the market is right now. And then what I'll do is, at the end of the day, I'll back it up and show you how the day unfolded. So let's go back and take a look at what's going on right now. Trading around 37.32, which is over here. You can see up about 7 on the day. Clearly, the market is moving. So we'll see what happens. We're going to be dynamic. We're going to take the data that we have prior to the S&P open, and then we're going to use that to identify today's daily direction of the S&P. And when you're dynamic and you use data, you can solve problems, right? That's the solution to the problem, right? You want to win more in the S&P 500? You know what you have to do? You have to show up. You have to show up every single day. So we'll take a look at the S&P, see how the day turns out, and I'll provide some insight into how the 3D capital management systems engaged or not on today, the first Friday of the month. Oh, I love today. All right, Friday, 4 o'clock, S&P is closed. Friday, November 4th, 2022, first Friday of the month, non-farm payroll day. I love days like today. Usually get some volatility. Don't want to say the word always. It's a strong word, but often get volatility on non-farm payroll day. Today was no exception, though today was not one-way volatility. It was a chop fest. You had 1% and 2% swings in both directions. Let me show you what that looks like. And as a reminder, as of yesterday's close and as of today's open, our bias was for the S&P to head higher. So let's take a look at a chart and see how things panned out. Origin of the XY axis is the open. You can see we opened about 1.5% higher, and then we dropped 1.5%. We rallied 1.5%. We dropped 2%, and then we rallied nearly 2% in the last 2 hours of the day. So how did we manage that day? Let's take a look. Colorful chart here for you. This green star, that is our 3D Tactical Bull program, intraday long-only program. We get long today, market makes new highs, retraces too far off the high, we get stopped out. Look what happens after we get stopped out. Market drops 1.7%. We also had our 3D Defender, that's our intraday short-only system. That gets short today, market makes new lows, and then retraces too far off its low. We get stopped out, and the market rallies about 70 basis points from where we get stopped out to the close. Really good examples of how important it is to be dynamic to the message of the market. Listen, data-driven, dynamic solutions can help you win more often in the S&P. Did we win today? No, but we managed risk, and that's what we do every single day. If you have questions about how we can help you win more in the S&P, feel free to reach out. We're here to help.